Hey guys, how you doing? It's the King here, Donnie Wolf, and I'm here to tell you a story. These stories are different because I don't really do stories in my past, but hey, it's something you guys might want to hear about. And I don't like showing my face during these stories, so I'm just gonna do all this stuff and show you pictures while I just frickin' tell you the story. Well, a long time ago, I was dating this one chick, and she she was trying to watch a figure, right? And I didn't realize it at the time because I'm an idiot, and people like me, they're idiots, and this is just what we do. Well, I was saying, hey, you want food? And we were at a family event, family events that I can't get out of, and so I went to pick her up some food because she didn't want to get up, and I brought it back to her. And I didn't realize that she said no. This is my fault as being an idiot. I'm not doubting this girl in any way. And I just kind of, it's like, oh shit, didn't mean to do it. Yeah, I got screamed at. Whatever, dude. Um, yeah. So I just kind of ate her food, and that was about it. Um, Here's a couple other stories that you guys might want to hear. Maybe there was this one time, and you guys saw that one video of me and the other guys talking on the phone. This time we were outside in a barn, and we were playing with, bottle rockets. And we would shoot bottle rockets at each other and have a little bottle rocket war. Worst fucking idea I've ever had. Worst idea. And it wasn't my idea at all. It was G-Dog 1300's idea, and he was an idiot. And we all established that he was an idiot. So we were hanging out in the barn, shooting bottle rockets at each other, trying to do this war. And this entire time, I couldn't fucking understand on why the fuck this is happening to us, because Garrett, SG Defense, you could call him either one, doesn't matter. He shot the bottle rocket at his brother, which would be Gage or G-Dog 1300, and he hit into a pouch. And at the time, G-Dog 1300 has a hedgehog, and there was a little hedgehog pouch around his neck with the bottle rockets facing downward. So it hit him right in the pouch, and it blew up in his face. And I come down the stairs at this precise moment as it's happening, and he's just screaming, flaring his arms around, wandering around the fucking bottom of the barn, just screaming, just all like, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. And I'm laughing, Garrett's laughing, we have another guy named Jesse who's freaking cracking his ass up. And we were just fucking laughing our asses off as he runs around the barn like an idiot, screaming, oh shit. And it was fucking hilarious. It was just 100% hilarious. There was a whole bunch of different times that I will talk to you guys about, but this is just one video. I want to see if you guys like it. Uh, yeah, that shit happened. It happened fast too. I'm walking down the bottom of the stairs, and this guy's fucking flaring his arms already, saying, oh shit, and then he starts running as soon as I get down. It was freaking hilarious, but I hope you guys like this video, and I appreciate it, and I'll talk to y'all later.